In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your number in Twilio. By the end, you'll have your personal number verified and ready to use for outbound calls and messages from your Twilio projects. First, open your browser and go to the Twilio website. On the home page, select Login. You may see a section that highlights messaging, voice, verify, video, and more. If so, use that to continue into the sign-in flow. When the login screen appears, enter the email address associated with your Twilio account, then choose Continue. On the next screen, type your password and continue again to access the Twilio console. As a quick tip, using a secure password manager can make this step faster and safer, but never share your credentials with anyone. Once you land in the console, look to the left navigation and choose Phone Numbers. In that area, click Manage to view the available management options for your numbers. Next, open Verified Caller IDs. This is where you register personal numbers you want to use as caller IDs without purchasing a Twilio number. Select Add a new caller ID. A form will appear asking for your phone number. Type your personal number exactly as you would dial it internationally, including the plus sign, the country code, and the remaining digits. For example, use a format like country code, phone number. Double check that you've included the full number and that there are no spaces or extra characters. When you're confident the number is correct, click Verify Number. Twilio will either call or text you with a one-time verification code. Keep your phone nearby so you can pick up the call or read the text promptly. When you receive the code, enter it into the verification field on the screen and click Submit. If the code doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment and ensure your device has a good signal. You can request a new code if needed. After submitting a valid code, you'll see confirmation that your personal number is now verified. It will appear in your Verified Caller IDs list, which means you can select it as the caller ID in compatible Twilio workflows and test outbound communications more easily. That's it. Your number is successfully added and ready to use within Twilio. If you ever need to update or remove a verified number, return to the same Verified Caller ID section in the console. Thanks for watching and happy building with Twilio.